Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Odyssey tail light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Odyssey is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental electrical issues during the process. Identifying the specific tail light assembly you need to access is your initial step. Next, open your rear hatch to expose the retaining screws for the tail light assembly. You'll typically find 2 or 3 screws that secure the unit in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but avoid excessive force. Now that the assembly is out, you can access the individual bulbs. Locate the specific bulb that needs replacing. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it in. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle. Push it firmly back into place until it sits flush. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your headlights and brake lights to confirm the new bulb is working properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.